For years, a cheerful melody echoed across the shortwave radio bands. Then came a woman's voice. British accent, emotionless, mechanical, reading numbers in groups of 5. No explanation, no context, no clear origin. This was the signature of one of the most iconic number stations in the world, the Lincolnshire Poacher. It broadcasted around 5403 kilohertz using AM several times a day. Each transmission followed a strict pattern. First, a short segment of the folk song, The Lincolnshire Poacher. Then a pause. Then the voice. 9715. 39715. 39715. 39715. Hundreds of numbers, spoken slowly and clearly. Why would anyone broadcast numbers like this? The most accepted theory is espionage. These were coded messages sent to undercover agents. They likely used a one-time pad, a cipher so secure it's impossible to break. If you had the matching pad, you could decode the message. If not, the numbers meant nothing. For years, the origin of the station was unknown. But radio enthusiasts eventually traced it to Cyprus. Specifically, to a British Royal Air Force base, RAF Akrotiri. A perfect location to reach the Middle East, Europe, and North Africa. It's widely believed the station was operated by MI6, the British Secret Service. In 2008, the Lincolnshire Poacher went silent. No warning, no explanation, just gone. Some say it was replaced by modern digital methods. Others think the station simply moved and changed its name. Even today, the Lincolnshire Poacher is remembered. It inspired music, documentaries, and mystery stories. It was more than just a signal. It was a message hidden in plain sight.